July 20th, 1969. The day that changed our place in space forever.
Yeah, the moon is there, boy, in all its splendor.
When Neil Armstrong took his small step in our giant leap, the whole world was watching.
You know, it was kind of like hard to believe that this was really happening in front of our eyes.
I remember that my parents were huddled around the television.
We have a liftoff, 32 minutes past the hour. Liftoff on Apollo 11.
The astronauts are the names we know, but they're not the only heroes of this story. The engineers, the geologists, the physicists, the chemists, the biologists, they were all explorers. NASA Explorers Apollo is an audio series that tells the stories behind the people who helped make Apollo happen, and the people who are still discovering things about our moon today. We look forward to the future of lunar exploration as much as we celebrate our past, and ask questions like, what are we still learning about our moon? What happened to the lost data of the Apollo era? And how are today's scientists helping us prepare to go back? You can listen to NASA Explorers on Apple Podcasts, SoundCloud, and Google Play. You can also find the series on the NASA Explorers Facebook page.